go see what Giuseppe's doing. But first, I need a lighter, and I don't have one. Lighter. Hold on. Boots on your toes on. Hold on. Right! I have a lighter in there. All right. Giuseppe, what are you doing? What it took to find a lighter this morning. Just now. I find 5 of them, they're all busted. What are you doing? Again, you taking this engine apart?
Well, not really, just the valve covers. Here's what's going on. I'm going to be putting shims for my rocker arms.
I thought you had it all good already.
Well, for street application, it's completely fine. But for drag racing, which we're not doing, we're not beating the hell out of this car.
Right.
This is a nostalgic car that you don't want to...
Right. You can run it down the track.
You can run it down the track.
I'm stupid like that.
Well, I'm not. Anyway, I don't want to slam it into a wall.
No, I didn't say you were... It's not a demolition derby race, so...
I know that.
So, so then you had it good.
It's not had, it's perfect.
Oh, okay.
It's good, but
right.
I just want to perfect it. I'm weird like that. So see these? Come here. These are shims. 010, 150, and 030. Okay? That's the thickness and how much it's gonna make a difference.
Right.
Of the angle of the rocker arm. So when you change the angle of the rocker arm, the roller, you can make it go perfectly in the middle of the valve. You can adjust it of where you want the wheel to be on the valve.
The head of the valve.
The head of the valve.
Call them, whatever you want
the head of the all that kind of stuff. We're changing the dimensions of the rocker arm. So when you pick it up on the back, the front goes in. So if it's off by a mile, you got the wrong rocker arm. Something's wrong. Okay?
Yeah, because these ain't gonna move them over that much.
No. So these are just gonna do a little bit, the hairs. And this is just off the hairs of...
Off your chinny chin.
Okay.
Don't say the other one.
I don't know.
So this only moves it like very little, let's put it that way.
Very little. So for drag racing, you want these right on the money.
For drag racing, and if you're gonna want performance out of a car, it's never good enough.
Right.
Is what I'm trying to say. So even if you have it perfect, so try to get it as perfect as possible.
Right. So speaking of drag racing, if you guys are selling any like 55, 56, or 57 Chevys, let
him know so he can let me know how much it is.
Anyway, so let's put the shims, and it should change it a little.
So which ones are you going to use? The real thin ones?
The 010.
Yeah, you start with these and then you check.
Check.
You remember? How do you do it?
You get a marker, you scribble it to the head of the valve, and then you do 2 turns on the crank, and it's 1 full turn on the horn.
And you see how you make out. Boy, I'll tell you, the thin ones are literally like a hair from an ice pipe. Man, look at that.
Ah!
What?
Freshy.
Oh, we weren't going to say that. That's right. Chinny chin. Take that off and bring it right over here and put it right up here. Now.
See where the wear line is? We colored this in with a marker, and then that's where the roller hits, the wear line. It's a little off-center, but it's fine for street use. But if you're going to beat the snot out of this, you want it right in the middle. So we're going to put some shims right now. So now, we're going to wipe the marker off before we put the shims.
There you go. Good.
You did them all already. You missed a couple.
Yeah, I missed all gots.
How you doing? How you doing, bro?
Not as good as you. Alright, we're going to try the thicker one.
That should be 030.
Let's take a look.
I don't know why I had to do that. I really don't know. I just had to do it. It's like what?
On the valve train? Boy, a little bit in there, these will blow in. Now don't slop bone all over the engine. Alright? Where's my rag? Rafangu. Where's my rag? I can't find my rag.
Is he serious? Is he f***ing for this?
Where the f*** did it go? Where's my rag?
Yo, come here for a minute.
I just had a brand new rag.
I'm 30.
Damn it! It's thing. It was on my neck. Give me this. My grandmother used to put it up there, and she used to get mad at us. We used to bother her. She goes, "These kids are killing me. These kids."
I should have said hot and cold.
You couldn't tell me.
Did I just say hot and cold?
Up and down.
Hot. It was all hot.
Let's go.
It was already on you. I'm trying to get this lube out. There we go.
That's what she said.
Oh, I got cut. I got cut.
Acts like a glue. Thing, not on the engine.
Say glob it on there.
On the thing, not on the other thing.
How about we put it on the shim? Oh!
Look at this, look at this.
Put it on the shim.
Forget about it. You make me have nightmares at night. You got enough there? You nudge you. Stop! Come on. All right, where's the bolts? Come on, please.
Let me sit there.
You're gonna make me f***ing fall. I'm not kidding. You're pissing me off.
Look!
See
that? Look! That's real! That's real!
Give me a bolt. Let's go, quick.
They're under your
hat.
No, I'm kidding.
You dirty you.
Every time that you put a shim, you gotta adjust your valves again. So when you order your cam and you're building your engine, do not throw away your cam card because it always comes in handy. You gotta get your valve adjustment. You gotta find out what it is for the feeler gauge because this is solid lifters. So for example, Comp Cams wants me to adjust these valves to 0.016 for intake and exhaust. Turn. High compression. What is this? 11 to 1? Alright.
11 and a half. That's good. That's good. It's not bad. 10's more my, you really want to get down the track nice. But if you want to go pick up your girlfriend and go to the track, 11 and a half is nice. Hit it.
Now we're going to do them all. Turn the engine and see where its footprint is.
To get them just right, on and off, but you have to get it right.
We are literally so off.
What? Off the hole.
It's right in the middle.
Damn! Look at that.
That's how you do it. Now, before we do anything else, you guys are probably used to big cylinders and V8s and big dual carbs and fender well headers and big cams and dome pistons and all of that.
What are you talking about?
This is our new car.
What are you gonna show them? This thing? Dude, what are you showing them?
Look how tiny they are.
My nostrils are bigger than that thing.
So our plans are to get a 426 Hemi and stick it into.
No, we're not. I'm gonna go bigger, but I'm not doing that. But meanwhile, back at the ranch.
Meanwhile, if you guys have any Track 5 Chevys for sale, like 55, 56, 57 Chevy, we'll do that. If you want to sell it, don't let that.
Sound like an auctioneer.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, back at the ranch, taking over the world.